Welcome to my channel. Rangextd Wi-Fi Booster Setup. 1. Plug in the booster. Insert the Rangextd Wi-Fi Booster into a power outlet near your router to start the setup process. 2. Turn it on. Wait for the power light to turn solid green, indicating the device is powered up and ready. 3. Connect to booster Wi-Fi. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default booster network, e.g., Rangextd. 4. Open a web browser. Enter 192.168.7.234 in the browser's address bar and press Enter to access the booster setup page. 5. Log into the admin panel. Use the default credentials, username, admin, password, admin, to log in. 6. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Choose your main router's Wi-Fi from the list of available networks. 7. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Input your router's Wi-Fi password to link the booster to your home network securely. 8. Save settings and restart. Click Apply to save the changes and let the booster reboot to complete setup. 9. Relocate the booster. Place the booster midway between your router and the weak signal area for optimal performance. 10. Connect your devices. Reconnect your devices to the boosted Wi-Fi network for extended coverage and improved speed. Thanks for watching.